Hi, I'm Christian Violandes. Welcome to our science class. Now we're going to discuss all about the life cycle of a butterfly. Are you ready? Let's go!
Today, we're going to know the life cycle of a butterfly. When we say life cycle, it has an ending. From an adult butterfly will have eggs, caterpillar or larva, and pupa, and go back to the adult, and so on, and so on. It is a non-stop.
Now, let's discuss about the eggs of the butterfly. Most of the insects lay eggs to give a break. The butterfly are belong to insects. That's why they lay eggs. That is the first stage in life cycles of the butterfly.
Now, let's proceed the second stage. After the adult butterfly lay eggs, the eggs become a larva or the baby caterpillar. And the baby caterpillar are always hungry. That's why he wants to eat more. He eats all the leaves. After eating, it becomes strong and big, and it started to rest. And this stage is called the pupa stage. The third stage is the pupa stage or the chrysalis. This stage is the process where the caterpillar is rest inside the cocoon. After the caterpillar is resting for a few days.
It stays in the cocoon for 5 to 21 days. This pupa stage is the process where the caterpillar will become a beautiful butterfly, or we can call it the metamorphosis.
After the third stage, which is the pupa stage, the caterpillar will go out inside the pupa and it will make a beautiful butterfly. This is the last stage of a life cycle of the butterfly.
For the first stage, the adult caterpillar will lay eggs. The second stage, after the eggs will hatch, it becomes a caterpillar or a larva.
Third stage, the caterpillar will stay in the cocoon, and this process is called chrysalis or pupa stage. And for the last stage, the butterfly will go out inside the cocoon and become a beautiful butterfly. And that is the life cycle of a butterfly.